Alright, here we have a Samsung dryer, front load. Customers complaining there's no heat. Alright, we're going to work on this today. Let's set you guys here. So I'm going to figure out what's going on here with no heat. Alright, I'm going to take the front panel off here. You can access from the back the thermal fuses, but it is a lot easier without cutting yourself accessing from the front panel. Here you got 4 screws on top here, this plastic control panel. We'll remove this. And the last screw here. Obviously remove the top first. So we'll get the 4 screws out. Come in our magnet tray here. We'll pop the panel off here. Very simple. Set that on top like this. The panel does come off like that. Set it just like that. Okay, now I'm going to take the front door off. 2 screws is here, 2 there, 2 here. This whole thing should pop right out. I'll switch these guys where you can see. Just angle down here. Alright, is she gonna stay here or what? Too much stuff on this table. Alright. 1 screw here. Screws are all different. They're not the same screws, all different sizes. So try to keep your screws together. Don't put them in the wrong place, otherwise you'll strip it and never go back in again. There's 4 screws on this panel here. Be careful because it will come off. Okay, we got the 4 screws off that panel. Keep them aside. Okay, now we got the screws off here. And you got screws inside the door here. You open your door up. You see the 3 screws there. Just those 3 screws. These ones here we'll find out because I'm pretty sure they're holding the door lock. So let's set these guys here. You guys get a better view here. Let me see, you guys can see here. Alright. These 3 screws up. Again, keep them separate. Only put the wrong screws in the wrong spot. I usually tape them up together with masking tape and just stick them on the door here. Or just put them separate. Okay, so we've got this. Might have some screws here. One down here, these 2 here. These are also different screw sizes. So try to remember where you take them out from. Okay, cut that one out. So I'll just put these back here, separate. Door should come out now. Oh, hang on. Another screw somewhere here. Maybe not. Maybe not. Alright. Oh, take your filter out. Pop right out. Like that. Oh, don't forget your door lock switch here. Disconnect that. Right out. There's your door. She's out. Put her aside. Okay, we got the door off. There's the door. Now you got access here to your fuses. I got a light here. I think I left in the, oh, here it is. I don't like the sign of that. Looks like they had rodents, mice. Made mice chew the wires out, and that's why it's got no heat. But yeah, let me get my pan here. This kneel on. Okay, you got your fuses right here. There's your heater. You can see in there. Here's your heater coil. There's your thermal fuses on the side there. So get yourself some needle nose pliers. Very sharp in there. Be careful. We're gonna check the thermal fuses now. Especially this one here. We're gonna check. That's the fan one that goes a lot when it overheats. All right, just stay tuned here. I'll get my tools.
What you're giving, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system. It's simply how we've existed.
All right, got the multimeter here. I'm gonna turn it on ohms, guys. Should be it, I think. Let me just check. Yeah, okay. So once you got it on ohms, I usually use alligator clips for this because it's a lot easier. All right, you guys probably won't see. First one we're testing is the heater. Make sure the heater coil is good. Make sure the coils are not broken inside the heater. And we got a beep. That means that's good. So we got a good heater. All right, now I'm gonna put the wire in so you don't get mixed up in wires here. Where are we here now? Where did we go? Okay, yeah, it's gone somewhere. I'll find it later. Okay, basically, yeah, there's 4 of them all together. You're gonna have to check all these. All right, that's why you have no heat. So just give me a sec. All right, I just checked all those 3 there on the heater coil. They're all good, working. Now I want to check this one here. Pretty sure it's this one here. We'll find out in a sec. Put the clamp on this one. See, we got continuity here. And you can see that one's also good. Okay, so now it's puzzling why I wouldn't have heat. All right. Oh, one more here. Sorry. This one here. I bet you it's this one here because it's got to be one of these. Okay, see that one there? On this side here, I just unplugged. Again, put your multimeter to it. Could be this one. If it's this one here, we know there's the heat issue problem. And there we go, guys. I got my meter hooked up there. There's no beeps whatsoever. So that is the problem. That's why it's got no heat. Thermal fuse gone. All right, and I'll show you what they look like. I'll get off the floor here. I usually keep a lot of them here. I'll show you guys. If I can get by here. Kind of crowded up here. That's it. When a dryer calls for no heat, that's the problem. One of those thermal fuses. I usually keep my fuses here. Open this box out. Alright. Look again, you got all 3 of them, different kinds, right? Hopefully I got one of them. I know I do somewhere. These are all fuses here. See, some of the older ones, the Kenmore Whirlpool, they're this kind here, Kenmore Whirlpool. Got one of those, I'll have to look. I don't see one here, so I'm gonna have to go searching. In here. Somewhere. You know what? There's nothing in here. Okay, where else do I keep them? I keep them all over the place. Let me see here. Oh, there we go. That's it right there, guys. There you go. That's why it has no heat. Alright? You gotta find the right one for the right machine. That's it there. And as you can see here, have a look here. I'll show you guys closely what it looks like and where it is. There you go. You can see it. It would go like that. Just like that one. Go right in there at that 2 screws. And you connect your wires and that's it. And you got heat, guys. Alright, guys. Samsung front load dryer, no heat. That's the fix. I'm about to scrap this safe, guys. About to scrap it. Crazy part is I see envelopes in there. I got the combination right here. I YouTubed it how you use it. It's 4 times left to 84, 3 times right to 22, 2 times left to 90, and then 1 time right back to 0. That's what I'm doing, but it's not that easy. Holy shit, man. And what they say, when you go 1 time right back to 0, you'll feel it tightening up really hard. It gets tighter, the knob, and you'll hear a click. Because the saw didn't do nothing. See, look at that. The saw didn't do nothing. So this is kind of difficult because I keep forgetting when I was going left or right, right, left. So let's put it there so it doesn't blow away. I'm gonna try it. So start at 0. We got 4. Oh, come on. When does it stop blowing this crap? I don't know why I gotta hold this paper. My memory. Okay, let's hold it in my hand. Put it here, I guess. Okay, let's hold it in this hand. Jesus. For the love of God. Okay, left 4 times to 84. So you gotta go 4 times. So past the first zeros 1 time. Zero 2 times. Oh shit, left. I'm going right. Oh my god. You know how many times I've done that? Holy shit. Left 4 times. Son of a bitch. Okay, let's start over again. Okay, start at 0. Left 4 times. 1 0. 2 0. 3 0. 4 0. Now I go to 84. It's getting tighter. I can feel it getting tighter. 84. Left. Alright, now we got right 3 times 22. So right 3 times 22. So let's go. 180. 280. 380. So now we go to 22. I can feel it getting tighter. 22. So that was right. I got my paper. Now left 2 times to 90. So back left. 120. 220. Now we go to 90. Like how hard can it be? 90. That was left, right? Right. What would we do? 90. So now we go right to 0 and it should stop by itself and unlock. So we go right and it should just keep turning. Now it should be, it's getting really tight and it should unlock. No, it's not getting, it's getting a little tight, that's it, but it's not tight enough to hang on. It's tight there. It should unlock. I don't know, guys. It's driving me nuts. Driving me nuts. Alright, guys. I figured something out. I got some scrap metal here. There's a door opening here. I'm gonna drop metal in there. If I hear a ting ting ting, I know there's nothing cushiony in there like paper money. So let's try it. Alright, that sounds empty to me. Let's try another one. Let's try one over here. Let's try something else here. That didn't sound tingy. Let's try another one here. That sounds empty. It's always ting, 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 right? Try something heavier, and then I'm gonna scrap it. I'm gonna throw it on this truck here and had enough. It's going to the scrap yard. I'm gonna scrap this washer, make some space. I'm not waiting for to replace a boot, but I wanted to take some parts off it. Look at these companies, what they do, huh? You can't take the water inlet valve out. There's nothing wrong with it. I want to take it for parts. Look at the screws. It's not even a Phillips. It's not even it's nothing. It's just like a special machine. Just push them in there. You can't get the screws out. If you can see. It's not a hex or anything. Wow. You know why? So you can't take the parts and repair it so you can buy brand new. That's what companies do to you these days. Screw you so you can buy brand new, that's all. Ain't gonna stop me from getting this out. So I can go buy a new washer. Maybe they are gonna stop me. Bastards. One damn screw holding it. Man, these guys are too much. Build shit that you can't replace. Ain't stopping me. Got one out. Oh shit. Oh my god, it's not good. Shit. Maybe one will hold it, who knows. Gotta be careful of the next one. Nobody can stop me. Got the other one out. I didn't damage it or anything. It's all good. She's not damaged. These things will cost you $80 to $100 to replace. They put screws that you can't replace them. That's what they do. They make it hard to work on. I should take the... Oh, this doesn't have one of those things. I think it does have the copper thing here. I'm scrapping it. Might as well take it apart and taking the safe to the scrapyard too. Houston, we have a problem. I can't get that on the truck. This thing's gave me misery, this piece of shit. Just throw it out, Tony. Not worth the hassle and the headache and the bullshit. Throw it out. See what it weighs when we get to the scrapyard. Maybe 600 pounds. Oh my god, it's crazy. Gotta scrap it out. Getting organized. Making some space. Alright, let's test this one here. Whew, just brought the dolly all over here. Same Maytag as this one here I fixed. This one's ready to go. All clean, nice and go. Working condition. Now I got nested, I got another one that's out the same. Oh, I gotta bring all those washers and dryers. They're moving me the end of this month. My small unit up front, and I got like 10 appliances in there. I'll be honest. The row behind here, which is closer, but geez, to move them all up here is gonna be a pain in the ass. But anyways, let's check this one out. Well, she's working. She's jiggling back and forth. These machines are so strong, they'll last another 30 years.